This is an amazing expo wherein all our manufacturing people, MSME people, they can get to newer technologies, how to increase production, how to improve the quality in manufacturing. So all the tools are present here wherein they can witness all the machines live, all the solutions here, and they can increase their productivity.
I think the exhibition here has been very productive. We have a lot of end user and actual buyers coming in.
The response has been extremely good here, and we are very happy for being over here. And MAP has been a very good success story for us.
The opportunity to get business connect with different kinds of industry.
We've had footfalls from various types of industries, people, very interesting kind of applications.